Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Whimsical account in 2026. It's a quick process and you'll be ready to start creating flowcharts, wireframes, mind maps, and documents in just a few minutes. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Whimsical website. Once you're there, click the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Now, choose how you'd like to create your account. You can sign up with your Google account, Apple account, or use your email address. Yeah, just pick the option that's most convenient for you. If you're signing up with an email address, enter your name, email, and create a strong password. Then click Create Account ***. Next, check your inbox for a verification email. Open it and click the verification link to confirm your account. If you don't see the email, take a quick look in your spam or junk folder. Once your account is verified, sign in to Whimsical and follow the short setup steps, such as entering your workspace name or choosing how you plan to use the platform. And that's it. You now have a Whimsical account and you're ready to start creating your first project. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.